This JAXWQ stud finder wall scanner uses a sensitive smart chip to reliably locate wood, metal, joists, pipes, and live alternating current wiring behind common wall surfaces. Its high-contrast liquid crystal display with backlight clearly shows stud edges, centers, and signal strength. And the audible alerts make it easy to pinpoint targets without constantly watching the screen. 5 distinct scanning modes, including deeper detection for thicker walls and a dedicated metal mode, give this tool flexibility for everything from light picture hanging to more demanding renovation work. In everyday use, it greatly reduces false positives and guesswork, so you can drill or mount hardware with more confidence and far fewer unnecessary holes. The layout and controls are straightforward enough that occasional do-it-yourself users can handle it, yet it still feels accurate and responsive enough for more serious home improvement projects. Overall, this compact scanner is a practical safety tool that helps you avoid live wiring and hidden pipes while making wall installations faster, cleaner, and less stressful.